DoorDash and Uber Eats dominate most U.S. cities, but earnings can swing by several dollars per hour depending on which one you're actually using in your area and how you work the schedule. By the end of this, you'll know which delivery app tends to pay more, how the order flow really differs between apps, and what actually matters if your goal is consistent daily income instead of random busy nights. Start with the basic difference. DoorDash usually gives you more frequent order offers because it has higher market penetration in many suburban and mid-sized cities. That means more total delivery opportunities during peak hours, even if individual orders sometimes pay a bit less per trip. Uber Eats tends to be more flexible with surge-style pricing during busy demand periods. That means fewer offers in some areas, but occasional higher-paying orders when demand spikes in specific zones like nightlife districts or late-night weekends. So the real question isn't which pays more overall, it's which one pays more in your specific driving pattern. Now look at how drivers actually make money on each app. On DoorDash, scheduling, Dash Now, or pre-booked shifts can directly affect how many orders you see. Drivers who stay active during lunch and dinner rush typically see the most consistent order flow. If you're logged in during slow hours, it can feel like long gaps between orders. On Uber Eats, staying in high-demand zones matters more. The app pushes offers based heavily on proximity and current customer demand, so moving into busy areas can change your order volume faster than just waiting in one spot. Now here's the practical breakdown. If your goal is steady, predictable deliveries with less downtime, DoorDash usually feels more consistent in most cities. If your goal is flexible driving with occasional higher-paying trips during peak demand windows, Uber Eats can be better when you time it right. Many drivers end up running both apps at the same time to reduce downtime and accept whichever order makes sense first. That strategy matters more than choosing a single platform. Quick summary. DoorDash tends to give steadier order volume, Uber Eats tends to reward timing and location more aggressively, and multi-apping is what most experienced drivers use to smooth out earnings. Practical next step. Test both apps for 1 week during the same time blocks and track your hourly earnings manually, instead of guessing based on single-day results. Like and subscribe for more breakdowns of delivery apps, driver pay, and real-world gig work comparisons.